Yes, you can get a selfie shot, easy, the two of you, the three of you,
Sure.
but let's say you're doing a family reunion and you want to get it documented.
The arm is only so long.
That's right, and it's not like you can put the phone on a piece of wood.
You can train a chipmunk to hold it.
No, I don't know about that, but
Right.
it's a good fantasy anyway. So the selfie timer, group shot right here. I've got Rich all set up.
Yep.
I'm going to go over to the phone. So very simple, we're going to open up the camera app. As I told you, hit that little button there to get to the timer, turn it on. We're going to go for 10 seconds. Rich likes to have the flash on for that, and that's cool. He likes to do that as a signal to everybody that they're about to have their picture taken. This is pretty simple stuff.
And that 10 seconds gives you enough time to casually walk around as opposed to run and trip in front of your family.
Because you have 0, 3, or 10, and 10 is what I like.
Except I'm going to save you a trip.
Yeah.
If you happen to buy an Apple Watch and you launch the camera app, you see what I see there?
Yes, that's the two of us.
Yes, and if I tap the settings button, I could choose the different timers. I've got it set to 3 seconds, so I'll just tap that and smile.
And in this case, 3 is fine.
And so you could trigger that right from your watch, or you can actually use, depending upon your tricks, they do make other remotes for the iPhone, but the self timer is a great option. And I just like that flash there because you're always saying to people, hey, you know, did the picture take yet? And they start talking. When they see it blinking, they go, oh, it's about to take it. And they all get ready.
And just know, if you're taking a picture out here with the flash, it's going to do nothing.
Yeah,
right.
It's more of a visual cue of pay attention, the camera's about to go off.
So that's a selfie timer. Check it out.